Did you catch that our Forex sentiment score just hit plus 0.22? That's a notable spike compared to our historical baseline. What stands out even more is the momentum at minus 0.38, indicating a potential shift in sentiment that you shouldn't ignore. With 19 semantic clusters at play, there's clearly a lot of nuanced conversation happening around currency pairs. Our API returns detailed sentiment and momentum data that you can integrate into your trading algorithms, giving you a competitive edge. Imagine using this data to trigger specific actions in your automated strategies, like adjusting your positions based on shifting sentiment. If you're ready to dig deeper and leverage this powerful tool, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to get started. Let's build something impressive together.